Hello everyone. Today we're going to see two different paratha recipes. One is dal paratha and the other one is gobi paratha. Now parathas are very doable and very tasty. When you make them with dal and other vegetables, it adds to the taste. So let's get started and check out the first recipe, which is dal paratha. So I've taken quarter cup of moong dal, that is the husked green gram dal. Soak it for about 15 minutes and then we're going to cook it. First we're going to cook the moong dal. Add a little more water. Moong dal is rich in protein and it is a good source of healthy carbs which provide for our energy. It is good for the heart, stomach, and it is said to be low in cholesterol and it is diabetic friendly. You can see the dal is almost cooked. I'm going to season it. Salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala, one small green chili finely chopped, one piece of ginger finely chopped, some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped, 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee, and the flavors. So now I'm just going to mix all this, cook it till the dal is nice and dry. The dal is done. Now we're going to start rolling out the parathas. Take a nice big ball of dough, roll it out gently on all sides. You can see it's nice and thick. This is how you want it. Now I'm going to place a little bit of the dal filling in the center. Seal the paratha. Dust it with a little flour and gently roll it out. Once you've rolled out the paratha, cook it on both sides. Flip it over. Add a little ghee to the parathas. So here is the delicious dal paratha. Now the next recipe is gobi paratha, and I think gobi paratha is something that we all love and enjoy. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a wide saucepan, add a little oil, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add one onion that's been finely chopped, one green chili finely chopped. I have a piece of ginger that I'm going to pound in a pounder, or you can just grate it if you have a grater. So there you have some nice fresh ginger that's been pounded. The flavor is just excellent when you use pounded fresh. Next I'm going to add one small cauliflower that's been grated. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders one by one. Salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, quarter teaspoon, garam masala, quarter teaspoon. So I'm using a quarter teaspoon measurement here for all the spice powders. Quarter teaspoon of amchur powder. Close the pan and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes till the vegetable is done. Make sure you keep the flame on low. You can see the vegetable is cooked. I'm going to add a few chopped coriander leaves to finish it off. Mix it in. Turn off the stove. We're going to start rolling out the parathas. I already made the dough with whole wheat flour. When you're rolling it out, make sure you take large balls of dough because we're going to fill it up. And you need quite a bit for that. You can see it's a bit thick. I've rolled it out a little thick. Take a little bit of the gobi masala, the filling, fill it up. I'm just going to fold it in Cauliflower is high in fiber and it is also rich in vitamin B and C. It enhances weight loss and digestion. It is also said to be good for bone health and hence it is ideal to induce cauliflower into your regular diet. Seal it completely. Gently press it down. Gently start rolling it out. Take a nice hot skillet or a tawa and start frying them. Flip it over, add a little ghee. So there you go. Here are these two delicious paratha recipes that we've seen today. Now you can enjoy this with a simple gravy or with some nice pickle and raita by the side. So do try these recipes and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.